What up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today won't be a lock tutorial. I'm actually getting a tattoo. Well, I'm getting a tattoo makeover over here at Diligent Lobotomy Tattoo in Tucker, Georgia. And again, we're here to bring life into a very bad tattoo. Like, whoa, buddy. It was bad the day I got it. So yeah, we're here to fix this. So we're kind of like loyal customers because we've been here before, like on multiple occasions. Like perhaps I should start paying rent if I visit anymore. But yeah, this is where Bae got his nose pierced. Like, this man doesn't even have his ears pierced. So that was his first piercing. Talk about a boss, okay? The energy, the vibe, everybody's super dope. Like this cool guy, see him? That's Eddy. He runs the joint. He's the owner, and he's also my new tattoo artist because he's responsible for the masterpiece that is on my arm, which is me and Bae. Like, he's super dope. He's been in the business for 20 plus years, and I knew when he did this tattoo, I knew he was the right person to help fix this po seller and bring him back to life. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into it because you gotta see this for yourself.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. And I know in that hotline bling that could only mean one thing. And I know in that hotline bling that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I'd never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. I know when the
Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong, going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages on your passport, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone